Hello friends, welcome to South Indian Tadka. This is Preeti Nair, and today the dish which we are going to show you is something which is very famous. It's Kadu Manga Achar or raw mango pickle. Today it's not made by my mother, but it is made by my father. So it's a very famous dish from his side. So let us see how to make it. It is raw mango cut into small pieces. We had kept it for half an hour with salt in it. So this is that. Kashmiri chili powder. It shouldn't be spicy, so please make sure you use Kashmiri chili powder. We just need the color, not the spicy flavor. This is mustard seeds powder, fenugreek seeds, curry leaves, asafoetida, vinegar, salt and water. So let's see how to prepare it. So first put the mustard seeds into the kadhai. Then add the fenugreek seeds. Just one spoon of it. Just a small spoon of fenugreek seed into it. Chili powder, we should be using it after mixing it in water. If you guys remember, we had used the sambar powder as well like this. So it's always better to mix it with water and use it. So this is Kashmiri chili powder mixed in water. This is what we are going to use. Just pour the liquid into the oil, and it should be done in low flame or else the chili powder would burn. So make sure it is in low flame and give it a nice mix. Continuously keep mixing it on low flame. Add curry leaves. As I said, curry leaves, without curry leaves our dishes are incomplete. So this is the curry leaves we are adding into it. See, look at the color. This is the color of Kashmiri chili powder. Asafoetida, add water into it, little bit of water. It's a very quick recipe. You don't need to keep it for months. You don't require hours to prepare it. Just five minutes or so just to prepare it. So see how it is boiling. Such a lovely color. It's not at all spicy. Don't be scared of seeing the color. It's not at all spicy. It's very delicious. You can have it with chapati, you can have it with paratha, anything. You have to cook the chili powder until the raw smell is gone. Just check it by smelling it. You can feel it. So after this, our base is ready. Now you have to put the mustard seed powder. You can see the quantity. It's again very little bit of it. Give it a nice mix. So it's almost ready. Now you have to switch it off, switch off the gas, as if you'll put the mangoes into this mixture right now, the mangoes would all be cooked and it will not give a proper taste. We don't need the mangoes to be cooked. It should taste raw. So let it cool down, let it cool properly. Then you can add the mangoes into the mixture. So the mixture is cooled down. Now you can add the mangoes which we had soaked in salt and kept for half an hour and give it a nice mix. See, this is how the product would look. It's delicious. So this is how it would look. So after that you have to add vinegar into it. Just a little bit of vinegar into it, and your Kadu Manga Achar would be ready, or raw mango pickle would be ready in Kerala style. So guys, here it is, Kadu Manga Achar or raw mango pickle. Please give it a try. It's a very simple recipe and very quick. So bye bye for now. If you like the video, please hit subscribe button and like button. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care.